This is the fun chapter. Trust me on this one. Joe's car service. Fuck you, Baltimore. Hey, Baltimore, go fuck yourself. If you're dumb enough to need car service, then you're dumb enough to buy it from Joe's Car Service. Home of the pissing challenge. You piss 10 feet in the air and don't get wet, your car service fucking free.
I should go talk to
Tell
the
him,
garage guy
man.
over there.
Hey, are you Joe? Joe Mama.
Excuse me? Hey!
Kick him.
Oh, huh.
It's Roy, not
Sorry.
Joe.
Didn't see you.
Sorry, I didn't see that.
What can I do you for?
I'm looking for Mama, Joe.
I'd like to get my car.
What does that look?
Have I been here before?
Hey, you're a pretty
Don't
patient
remember it.
guy, you are. That car's been there for 2 years. We took it out for a drive every month and checked the tires and batteries, just like you said. Here, it's the 3rd floor down. The service elevator is at the far end of the garage.
Garage.
Thanks.
Ah, you have yourself a good one, Chief.
You too.
Car's been here for 2 years. What does that mean?
That it's been here for a long time? What the fuck do you mean?
A car? Why am I being sent to look for a car? Can't stop thinking about that well. Sean seemed exhausted. But at least he's alive. I'll do anything to get him out of there.
Almost anything. Would you download a car? Jesus. To save your son's life, would you pirate a movie? Oh my god. Whip, whip. Whip, whip. I think I found it. Let's hop in. Hello, Michael. Want to play a game? What the fuck is that? Why does that look like that? What are you? Nathan. And that don't turn too fast. There you go. And Nathan? Nathan. What about this one? Oh, same thing. All right.
Your destination is 4 miles from here.
Jesus, looks
Leave the
really
parking
weird.
lot and take the first right.
Okie dokie. Oh. Vroom, vroom. And away we go.
Take the left.
Uh-oh. Well, I guess not.